Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Ode to Joy on the violin. This tutorial is perfect for beginner violinists. It's nice and simple. We are going to use what I call the M shape, and we can do it all on one string if we choose to. Be sure to stick around to the end so you can join in with me to play a duet. Thanks for joining me here at Violin with Catherine. If you're new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And if you are a regular, welcome on back. Is this pattern, which I call the M shape with your fingers, where the middle two fingers are together. So 1 and a space to 2, 3 and 2 together, space to 4. So every time we get to the note E, we can play with our fourth finger, or if you choose to, you can use your open E instead. I will use fourth finger because that keeps it really nice and simple just on the A string, but anytime it's fourth finger, feel free to change that to the open E string. So we're going to start with our second finger on the A string. So we go 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open A, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. A, 1, 2, 1. A, 1, 1, 2, A, 1, 2, 3, 2, A, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, A, 1, 1 on the D. I lied, there's one note on the D string. Second finger back on the A string, 2, and you hold this a little longer, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, open A, 1, 2, 1, A. So this is a duet part that you can play along with me. So just note that your notes are going to be different from my notes here. So the important thing is to keep the rhythm in time. Now I'll play it not too fast for you today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks so much for joining me here today. I hope you have a lot of fun playing Ode to Joy.